Hey guys, it's Charles. Today I want to show you Amber, the first all-in-one smart storage platform.
So opening the package, inside we've got a quick start guide, a power cord, a Cat5e Ethernet cable, an AC power adapter, and of course, the Amber device. So what is Amber? Simply put, it's a Wi-Fi router with built-in storage, but it's also much more than that. I like to think of it as Google Photos meets Dropbox meets Apple TV. Amber is your personal hybrid cloud. You have on-site storage for privacy, but the remote access convenience of the cloud with end-to-end encryption. Amber has a dual hard drive configuration in RAID 1, so everything has a backup. And since everything is stored locally, Amber doesn't use any third-party public clouds, which means two things: more privacy and no monthly subscriptions. The camera roll backup feature is amazing. Everything on your phone is automatically stored and backed up on Amber, and then you can access it remotely from anywhere. And you can share files and receive files to and from family and friends easily, even if they don't have their own Amber device. The hardware here is impressive. Everything is packed into one slick case. Along with the Wi-Fi router and the RAID storage, you also get an Intel-powered CPU. This means Amber's AI can organize all your data automatically, making it easier to find your files. There's also an HDMI output that allows you to cast your favorite memories to your TV. Amber is compatible with Android, iPhone, Windows, and Mac, and supports multiple user accounts, so this thing really is a great hub for your whole family. Pricing on Amber starts at $549.99, and it comes with a 1-year standard warranty.
Thanks for watching, guys. Visit myamberlife.com to learn more.